Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the king of the road, the 2024 BMW X7 M60i. This is not your average luxury SUV, this is a full-blown performance beast trapped in a sophisticated package. Exterior. Let's start with that head-turning exterior. The massive kidney grille makes a bold statement, and the whole design is both aggressive and elegant. It has a real presence on the road, like a predator stalking its prey. But don't be fooled by its size. This X7 has some serious aerodynamic features that help it handle like a dream. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that's spacious enough for 7 passengers. The heated and cooled seats with all the adjustments you can imagine will have you sinking in for the long ride. BMW hasn't skimped on technology either. The massive curved digital display looks futuristic and puts all the information you need right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about what really sets the X7 M60i apart: the performance. Under the hood, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine that pumps out a whopping 523 horsepower. That translates to a neck-snapping 0-60 time of just 4.5 seconds. And with all-wheel drive, you can put that power down on any road condition. But it's not all about brute force. The X7 M60i handles surprisingly well for its size. The suspension is firm yet comfortable, and the steering is precise and responsive. You'll be carving up corners with confidence. Let's be honest, with all that power, fuel economy isn't going to be a top priority. The X7 M60i gets an EPA estimated 16 miles per gallon city and 21 miles per gallon highway. But if you're looking for an eco-friendly option, this probably isn't the SUV for you. Of course, safety is always a concern. The X7 M60i comes loaded with all the latest driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The 2024 BMW X7 M60i is a force to be reckoned with. It's a luxurious SUV that offers exhilarating performance without sacrificing comfort. It's not for everyone, with a hefty price tag and thirsty engine. But if you're looking for the ultimate driving experience and can afford the best, the X7 M60i is in a league of its own. The 2024 BMW X7 M60i. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the official BMW website or head down to your local dealer for a test drive. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this ultimate luxury SUV, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.